This one here is a 2020 Durango RT. It's a Hemi. Looking for something that sounds good on it. We went ahead and cut out the middle giant muffler right there. And we put a couple of Flowmaster Outlaws in there and a nice H pipe. We left the back mufflers in for now. I'll show it to you here, then we're going to start it up and see how it sounds. Alright, so this is what we did. Cut that big guy out of there. And put a nice H pipe in there to equalize the pressure. Put a couple of Flowmaster Outlaws. Came out nice. The rest of the system here is all original. Leaving those back resonators in for now. We did a test listen to this and it sounded pretty good, so this is what we went with. Flowmaster Outlaws, and we kept the rear mufflers in there.